Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 4th of August 2021. And if you live in Canada or the United States, hopefully your air is getting better to breathe because there's forest fires everywhere. And even if you're like a quarter of the planet away, it seems to still get in the air. But taking a look at Polkadot here, Polkadot, of course, is a leader in the DeFi space. It's one of the highest market cap coins. It's been quite a leader over the last year and a half or so, 2 years maybe. Recently reached a new all-time high near $50. I think it did hit 50. Yeah, it hit $50.7465. $50 and yeah, whatever. Okay, that's where it's at. Over the last week or so, it's had a really nice run up here. In fact, from the open of July 21st to the most recent swing high, it's had an 87.11% move higher, nearly doubling in value. At the present value, it's up 73.42%. So very healthy move. Well, I don't know if it's healthy, but it's a really nice move. We're inside the cloud on the daily chart. And that is a place where you don't want to be because it's a place where trading accounts go to die. Now, when I look at the last 4 days of trading, there's a couple things that I think are important. First is that we've moved inside the cloud and we've tested back down below it. Although very low volume on those tests lower. The Tenkan-sen has maintained support, and today, unless something changes over the next 45 minutes, we're going to see it close not only in the cloud, but above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. When you look at the volume profile for the visible range, you can see that the point of control, this is kind of going back to late November, beginning of December to where we are now. The point of control is right on that $16.60 level. That's kind of a shared support zone between, you've got the bottom of the cloud at 1760, and then you have the daily Kijun-sen at 1561. So lots of strong support there, and it's not surprising to see it want to move higher here faster because the volume profile does thin out. It gets thicker once we get up to $23. That's where the 382 retracement and the next high volume node is. Prior to this move, it was sitting in a bear market territory. And so those values, of course, let me just put those in here quick. So there's two oversold conditions in a bear market in the RSI, 30 and 20, two overbought conditions in the bear market, 55 and 65. We've since, we moved above 65, dropped back down below, and now we're trading above it. This could be an early warning sign for bears that we are shifting into a possible bullish phase here. The problem here is, and I'm bullish on Polkadot myself, and I have active positions in it. What I'm looking for here, though, in the short term is, if I want to see something confirming a bullish move, what I want to see is prices move a little bit higher, probably towards. I want to see it get. This is what I actually want to see. I want to see it get rejected at $23. Okay. I want to see sellers come in and stop it because I want it to come back down to that $20 range. And hopefully, if it moves up to 23, the RSI will be around 70 or 80. And then it'll come down, this RSI. Everything's focusing on the RSI here to confirm a new bullish move or not. Because then the RSI oversold levels, they shift. So in a bull market, the RSI overbought levels are 90 and 80. The oversold levels are 40 and 50. Okay, not 30, 40 and 50. So in the event it moves up to that 80 range, I want to see wherever price goes when it moves lower. I want to see the RSI test 50 or 40. And if it holds it as support, that to me will be pretty darn strong confirmation that we're about to resume the prior uptrend because That's really ultimately what I would need to see. Ichimoku wise, everything here is a fantastic speculative early entry for me at least. If I wanted to open a new position, I'd be more than happy to do it because a lot of things here are pointing towards doing that with an early entry. If we want to be ultra conservative and wait for, well, not ultra conservative, but if we want to be more conservative, the last thing that I'm really waiting for that would be price to be trading above the cloud. And today that would mean it would have to close at $25. Tomorrow that means it would have to close above $22.30. And then on, let's see, that'd be Thursdays tomorrow, Friday. On Friday it would have to close at $21.25 to be above the cloud. A level I think is very doable from where it's at. So we'll just keep an eye on this and see what happens. But hope you all have a great rest of your week. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.